Hi, I'm Tony from the Brookswood Township of Langley. We were hoping to solve primarily the water problems going into the garage and from the downspout on the far side of the house. It was puddling, it was, some of it was going into the crawl space, so we were hoping to alleviate that, which we did. I didn't want to have too many contractors on site. I wanted it to be one contractor facilitating the whole job and completing the whole job, and that's what happened. A job like this, they all tie into each other at one point or another, and it's imperative that you have somebody that knows what they're doing in every facet of the work. I didn't realize how complex it was going to be, and in the end, it really surprised me how well it was actually done and how well it actually works. The team communicates, they have a good system, and it shows because they get the end result and they get it fast. It gets done fast. I could be on site, I could have questions on site, and I had no problems getting an immediate response, which was reassuring. I was able to have a visual on how this all works, how the system works, and ultimately could see it firsthand. That reassured me that everything was going smoothly and it was going to work in the end. The wall for me is it's a real beauty, the way it was done. There's a nice curve to it. It gives us more space. It's very durable, very functional. I have confidence in it that it's strong. That's what counts to me. I would definitely recommend VALROC to others. Simply put, the quality of workmanship is extremely high. It's a loyal crew, they work hard, they're organized, they leave a clean site, all the above. When dealing with VALROC, they treat their project like it's their own house, and I think that shows in their work. You can't say that this would not be a good investment. It's one of those situations where it adds function, it adds the aesthetics, so very pleased with it. We've done multiple different projects, and I know that they have a depth of knowledge in different areas of construction that are very beneficial. It added more space for us to walk through, and the driveway will have drainage leading to the actual drainage, so it works. It's much better than it used to be for sure.